All right, guys, so welcome back to our channel and this room tour. This is a resort, One King, non-smoking at Bally's. This is a comp through Caesars Rewards. I have nothing to gain by telling you this, but get a rewards card. Any property that you stay at, if they have a rewards card, sign up for the rewards program. You get free perks. One thing that I really like about Caesars Rewards versus MGM, at least for me, I'm diamond with Caesars, so a comp room is a comp room. No taxes, no resort fees, nothing. So it's free. I'm platinum with MGM, so when I do get free rooms, which I get free room offers, but I still have to pay resort fees and then you pay taxes on the resort fees. So I just don't want to pay anything if it's a comp. So this is a true comp, and let's check it out. Right here, we're in the entryway, obviously. Bathroom is right off. Dated, probably looks the same as the last time you guys were here. But it's standard. I mean, it's nice and big. Decent sized shower. Like I said, we're here for one night, really just to check out the pool, check out a hockey game later on, and really sleeps. Now, one thing about Bally's is that because it's, I don't know if it's because it's older or what the deal is, maybe it was their intention, but the rooms are actually a lot bigger. This is a standard resort room, One King, non-smoking. Look how big it is. This is a really big room. Dated furniture, but you have furniture. So that's nice. You got a flat screen. Let's not forget one of the perks about Caesars Rewards. You get a refrigerator with nothing in it and no charge. So this is actually great. Caesars has a refrigerator, but they have other stuff in it and you get charged if you take all that crap out to put your own. Harrah's does not have a refrigerator either, unless you have medical supplies, insulin, baby food, that sort of thing. They'll bring you up a fridge, but you're not going to get one like the other Caesars properties. So that's always a nice bonus. Like I said, nice and spacious through here. May not look like much of a view from over there, but we actually have a pool view from this one. So that's pretty nice. We're going to be down there in a few minutes to spend the day. I need to clean these windows. Ugh. This didn't open at one point, huh? There you have it. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them below. Please give us a like. What's not to like? It's just a room tour. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Let us know what you guys want to see and we will do our best to bring it to you.